Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video, I will show you can you lose your Twitch affiliate status can you lose your Twitch affiliate status on Twitch if you do something wrong, or maybe if you lose your followers and subscribers. So I found one article here which is a really great article. So as you can see, can you lose your affiliate status on Twitch if you lose followers? Yes, you can definitely lose your affiliate status on Twitch if enough people stop following. Now, to maintain that lucrative position in the catalogs of the channels that enjoy watching, affiliates need 500 average viewers per stream. So if you lose those 500 viewers per stream, you will basically lose your Twitch affiliate status, right? So how can you lose your affiliate status on Twitch due to an activity? According to Twitch, accounts that haven't been active for more than a year will be automatically removed from the affiliate program. So if you're planning on taking a break from streaming, make sure to come back and stream at least once every 12 months. Otherwise, you risk losing your status as the benefits that come with it. So the bottom line, you can lose your affiliate status on Twitch. The answer is yes, and there are a few ways it can happen. If you're not careful, you could find yourself without affiliate account and no way to get it back. But yeah, that's basically it. You just need to follow the rules to stay on top of Twitch updates, and then you will see what you need to do in order to maintain your Twitch affiliate status. So that's basically how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.